I'm gonna say sorry for not posting for about like 3 weeks and 3 days. So right now I am playing scuba diving at Quill Lake, and right. So I have 130 cash, and as you see, I have loads of things. But I have this swimming costume that I bought at Scuba Gear, and I have all of these. So yeah, so that's going to be really helpful. And today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be buying the pirate suit disguise so I can go to the pirate area. You know what I mean? Now get off my boat. This is my boat, not yours. Okay, fine, I'm gonna let you in. Let's go. I need to go to the pirate area, like somewhere near the pirate area. I don't know. I clicked the cat. So I guess I'm gonna do. Ah! Okay, let's see. Okay, so since the shark said, that means it's somewhere near. See, boat's there, but now I need to find the thing. What? Oh, found it. Oh wait, I haven't bought it yet. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. That's someone else's. Oh, mine's there. I'm gonna put the soap down just in case, because you can't really jump in the water, you know. Well, it looks glitchy. Oh my god, stop it. Okay, guess that guy left. Okay. So I need to go to what's the shop's name? Oh, we'll find out later. Well, you can find out in the shop's name by talking to the person, or it says already. So I still have some oxygen left, and anyways, I'm gonna refill it just in case. Okay, see? Yeah, I can buy this. Why am I not wearing it? Why am I not wearing it? Oh, there we go. Haha, pirate that can go underwater. Yeah, you see? And then when I need to, I can change to the universal. So it has to be somewhere here. Yeah. Oh, finally I can go here. I just see nothing to do. Because I am. Oh, this is shark pirate. Cool. Okay, what did I need to do? I needed to meet this guy outside the pirate cove. Oh, I think he's there. Or maybe, I don't know. Hey, another person. Do you happen to know the way out of here? I found myself very lost. Here's just follow. Amazing! Thanks, fella. Be sure to talk to my companion. She'll surely give you a good reward. Wow, you talk to a skeleton. You found him! You're not sure so great about this guitar, but you've earned it. And then she says something else. I'm clicking it. Whatever. I got a guitar. Play, play, play. to Noah. I think that's him. I don't know. Hey, you! Don't dare try to get in my house. I just had 2 break-ins last week. Don't worry, I won't lie. You better not. I have my eye on you. Oi! Bronze beard will not be stolen. Blah, blah, blah. Imagine I could break in, that'd be cool. And this is a pirate ship. Where's... Maybe he's here. Sailor, I have a very important mission for you. Of the highest... Yes, Captain. What is it? I lost my hair. Me hair. Okay. Where should I look? I was exploring the shipwreck of a huge metal beast when a glowing fish snapped it from my hair. From me hair. Swam into a sword and swam into a sword. I will risk my life and bring back your hat, Cap. Thank you, sailor. I will open the cabin for you as a reward. And it's very weird to go. Why are you all living underwater? Like, what's so interesting here? Oh, I think... Okay, I'm stuck. I will open the cabin for why am I even going this way? Well, I guess I am. Ooh. Can I not go here? Really? Got your cat. I mean, no, I'm not your cat. Got ya. Is there a river like that? Oh. Hey, you. I know you ain't a pirate, and I don't care. I need your help. Let me guess. You want me to free you? Yes, my name is Captain Rampage, and they committed immunity to overthrow me. Unbelievable. With a name like Captain Rampage? Never, right? Anyway, new captain is over that ghost ship. He keeps a key in his cabin. Find a way to get that key. What's in it for me? You see that gold necklace behind me? It's highly valuable. It's yours if you free me. I'll get the key and free you. Yes. Now make it snappy. Captain Rampage doesn't like blah, blah, blah. Is it like? Oh my god, this is scary. I want a cabin. Wait, so guys, if we go to the air. Okay, guys. So it says pirate note. I claimed it, haha. If you really want it, maybe we can make a deal. Come meet me in the pirate area just outside the entrance to the pirate cove. And I don't see it. Like, wow. You mean here? Him? Where? Maybe him? Pirate, I need you to help me. I have a very important quest. What is it, zombie pirate? I need you to find proof that old Bronzebeard has a teddy bear. Don't ask any further questions. I'll bring you perfect. We're embedded. See you when the task is complete. But still, I don't understand. Where is it? Maybe, oh no. maybe. I don't know. Where is it? Oh no. I mean, oh no, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh, I have loads of health. Oh, great. That's near. I can fill up my tank now. As I collect it. I was thinking it was like one of these guys, but it's not. Like, where are you, dude? Maybe they deleted it accidentally. Or maybe they forgot to add this, like, speech thing. Oh, hat. We were looking for the hat. Goodbye. Don't you swim away from me. I'm gonna get a guitar. See, guys? I got a guitar from a random person. How can I get in? I was thinking like hitting the thing with a guitar, but I don't know. Dang, 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 dang. Waka, waka, dang, 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 dang. I don't know where the hat can be. Hey, you. Okay, so it's cabinet. But I still don't understand. How am I supposed? Oh, I get it. I see a teddy bear, and I see that. Yes. At least I get some coins or something. I think it was. I think he was. Yeah, he was. At least I have a teddy bear. Is this sponsored teddy bear? Ha! Ha ha! Now we can all make fun of her. I mean, thanks, pirate. Here's 50 cash. You pirates sure are a rowdy bunch. What do you mean, you pirates? Aren't you a pirate too? Wait a minute. At least I got 50 cash now. Ha! Righty. Oh my god. I don't see no key. Why wasn't this wasn't open last time? Was it? What? It's like it was open like right now. I didn't see that before. I don't